A perfect, confident smile. For so many of us, it really feels like a dream that's just out of reach. But what if that dream was way more affordable and honestly a lot closer than you ever imagined? Today, we're going to dive into a dental solution that is absolutely changing the game. Let's just be direct here, because for so many people all across Europe, this is the number one thing. It's the barrier. You know you want to change, you're ready for it, but that price tag you get quoted at home, wow, it can feel completely overwhelming, and it stops that dream right in its tracks. I mean, the dream is simple, right? A full, permanent smile that just lets you live your life without even thinking about your teeth. But the reality? It's often a mess of confusing quotes, the scary prospect of multiple surgeries, and a calendar just packed with appointments stretching out for months and months. It's so frustrating. But what if there was a completely different way? A truly modern approach that was designed to get around these exact problems? Well, that's where this breakthrough in dentistry comes in. It's called the all-on-4 treatment concept. So what is it exactly? Well, to put it simply, it's a brilliant and super efficient way to support an entire set of new teeth, what's called a full arch, on just 4 dental implants. Now, the real magic here is that it's often graftless. See, by placing the rear implants at a specific angle, surgeons can use the bone you already have, which means they can often skip complex bone grafting procedures. And what does that mean for you? Fewer surgeries and a much faster recovery. The core of the procedure itself is incredibly streamlined. First, those 4 specialized implants are placed with absolute precision. Then, right away, a full bridge of beautiful, functional temporary teeth is fixed directly onto them. So you literally walk out of the clinic with a brand new smile. And here's the part that is just stunning. We are not talking about months of waiting around. For the right person, the transformation from having failing teeth or even no teeth at all to having a full fixed smile can happen in as little as a single day. Now, having this incredible technology is one thing, but being able to actually afford it, that's the real game changer. And that's exactly why so many people are turning their attention to a specific clinic in Vilnius, Lithuania, called Papadent. Okay, here's the headline that gets everyone's attention. For patients who are comparing quotes from places like the UK, Ireland, and Norway, the potential savings can be as high as 70%. That's not just a small discount, that is a life-changing amount of money. And listen, it's not just about that lower price tag. Papadent has put together a complete, totally coordinated package. The savings are huge, yes, but they also include things like free accommodation, a free and really comprehensive treatment plan before you even decide to travel, and an experienced English-speaking team to guide you through everything. It's all designed to be completely seamless. And to make it even more real for you, here's the starting price. This isn't some vague promise of savings. It's a clear, transparent number that makes a world-class smile suddenly feel incredibly, incredibly attainable. Okay, so you might be thinking, this all sounds amazing, but isn't traveling for surgery super complicated? Well, let's break down just how simple and coordinated they've made this journey for you. Everything kicks off from the comfort of your own home with a free remote consultation. Once you have your personal plan and you're happy with it, you make just one coordinated trip for the surgery. You get your temporary smile, you head home to heal and relax, and then later on you receive your final permanent teeth. The clinic literally handles all the logistics. Of course, the most important thing here is trust. I mean, traveling for any kind of medical procedure requires complete and total confidence in the clinic you choose. So let's take a look at the credentials that really make Papadent a top choice. Nothing speaks louder than the words of an actual patient. This quote from Michaelis, it just captures the real end goal of all this technology and coordination, a dream smile and revived confidence. That's the result that truly matters. And that kind of patient satisfaction, well, it's built on a foundation of proven expertise. Being in the top 5% of clinics for dental implants in the entire country, that doesn't happen by accident. That's a real testament to their focus and skill. The evidence of their commitments to excellence is just so clear. Their lead doctor has over 2 decades of experience. They have an outstanding 4.8-star rating on Google from over 200 reviews. You get a written, fixed-price plan, so no nasty surprises. And you get a professional team that's totally dedicated to making your experience a positive one. So, how do you take that first step to see if this is the right path for you? Well, the process is designed to be as easy as possible, totally transparent, and completely free of any obligation.
It really is as simple as this. 1. Click the link right below this explainer. 2. Submit your information through their secure form. And 3. The team at Papadent will get back to you with a detailed, personalized treatment plan. And it's absolutely free. So I'll just leave you with this one thought. That dream of a full, confident smile, the one that felt so far away and so expensive, what if it's actually just one day and one click away?